Today I'll be showing you how to take off single bars and put them back on. Our BT-5. This will work for the stubby one bar also. So let's go ahead and take our jaw pads out. Be careful with them, especially with the Riddell reproductions. Those are very badly made. We're just going to go ahead and just get a Phillips head screwdriver and lefty loosey. Take it off. This should be about the same for a BT-5, BT-1. You know, the 2-bar. But you just don't need any spacers in it. You don't, at least you don't have to. For 1 bar, you will need the spacers, or you can just cut out cardboard spacers. Screw it on this side. Screw it out on this side also. There it is. You can go ahead and punch out the rest. And so now we're going to put it back on. Let's get one of our spacers. These are very bendable, so they're supposed to be like this. Anyway, we're going to get one of our washers right here. I'm going to put it under the spacer. Then you take that, put it inside the 2 holes in the helmet, just like that. And then you just do the same for the other side. Here's helmet hut spacer. I drilled another hole in here. I don't know why, but they're a little bit thicker. Go ahead, do the same thing. Let me find where I put my washer, and I'll there it is. Get our single bar, match up the 2 holes, kind of wrap it, kind of go like this, and then fit it around there. Washers will fall out, or might. Just space that around there. There it is, nice and tight. Then we're going to put our chin strap button screw, put that right at the front, not here, but here. Right at the front, first hole, closest to the bar part. Then we get our tiny little screw and put it second right here. Do the same to the other side. There you go.